Hi guys, today I'll be doing a unboxing and review of the Nerf N-Strike target value set. So I managed to purchase this target set at my local departmental store. And yeah, so here is the front of the box. It says the Nerf logo here, micro size, mega power target inside, 10 suction darts are included. And at the side of the box, it shows you the assembly manual for the target. Yep. And at the back of the box, it shows the joke blaster. As you can see, it features a grey trigger and cocking handle, joke micro blaster, 10 suction darts included, and the target is called the competition target. And right here it shows the instructions on how to operate the blaster. Yeah, right here. Let the camera focus. Yeah. And so this will be the target that is included, and it's said to have a height of 26.9 centimeters. So let's get right into the unboxing. So here is what it will look like when you open the box. Here are the 10 suction darts that are included with this blaster. Here is the joke blaster, which I will take out in a second. Here is the assembly holder. This is the dart holder for the target, and this is the target, as you can see. So let's unbox this blaster up. So this blaster do not have any twist ties or anything. As you can see, the target just popped out. So right here, and to get into the target, just have to open this, as well as the other side, and you should be able to get to the target. So here's the target that is included. This target feels pretty cheap. Just a plastic covering with sort of glossy finish plastic target or cardboard target. And the target allows you to hang onto walls or allow it to stand. So I'll put it aside first. Now let's get into the joke blaster. So as you can see, the joke blaster came with a grey trigger, which is very interesting. So here's the joke. Yep. And next will be the target holder. I think I'll just rip off the cardboard. Sorry for the camera shake. So here are the dart holders and the leg of the target. Yep. So that is my unboxing of the Nerf N-Strike Joke Target Value Set and onto the review of these blasters. First, I'll show you how to assemble the target. So if you want your target to be hanged on walls or doors or anything, just insert the two plastic pieces like this right into the target. Yep, just like this. Push it in. And same goes for the other piece. Yep, and you're able to hang the target with its keyhole right here. And can hang it onto any wall or door frame. So if you want your target to be standing, you will need to insert the plastic piece in the opposite direction. So just push your target in. Same goes for the other plastic piece as well. Just push it in. Yep, and the target is set, and as you can see, it's standing pretty well. Yep. And let's try hitting it. So as you can see, it's pretty sturdy, and the plastic piece allows you to store your darts, which is a really nice feature. That's pretty cool. And let's get right into the review. So first, let's talk about the darts that came with the blaster. So as everyone knows, Hasbro actually came up with the new Elite Suction Cup darts. However, as you can see, the 10 Suction Cup darts that came with the blaster is not actually the new Elite Suction Cup darts. However, it is actually the old school N-Strike Suction Cup darts. So I'm actually very confused why Hasbro or Nerf did that. So now let's get right into the blaster and the targets. So here's the Joke Blaster. As you can see, it has a grey trigger, so I was once again confused why Hasbro did this, because in my country, all the blasters has the orange trigger on them. So I'm not sure whether this blaster has a performance decrease or increase, because if I'm not wrong, the Australia, a country where also sells Nerf blaster, the blaster that they are selling all have grey trigger to sort of signify that the blaster has a performance decrease in them, because their country do not allow too strong powered Nerf blaster there. So I'll be doing a firing test between this Joke Blaster and the regular orange Joke Blaster to see whether there is a performance increase or decrease in this blaster. I will be firing 2 Zombie Strike darts from the grey trigger Joke and 2 Elite darts from the orange trigger Joke. So first I'll be firing the orange trigger Joke first. And next I'll fire the grey trigger Joke. I'll let it focus first. As you can see from the firing test between this Joke and the regular Joke, there don't seem to be any performance decrease or increase in this Joke Blaster. So I'm not sure whether Hasbro just painted the trigger grey or just probably there really is a performance decrease, but I can't really tell, so I'm not sure about it. So as you can see from the regular joke. They are of the same size and has the same amount of draw on the blaster itself. So that is their similarities. So the joke from the joke target value set is pretty comfortable for my hand. The handle is actually very comfortable for me. Reason why is because I have small hands, so people with larger hands might find it sucky or not comfortable for their hands. Yeah. So that's the review of the joke blaster. Let's get right into the target. So as you can see, the target is actually pretty big, and I'm not sure what material was made to use this target, but it feels cheap, and the outer covering of the target is just a simple plastic, and if I'm not wrong, it is just a sort of plastic and cardboard type of target, and it has a glossy finish. So the joke operates by just cocking the blaster down and then pressing the trigger to fire. So I'll be trying to shoot this target with the O suction cup dart from the end strike line. So let's check it out. So as you can see, it actually stick pretty well. I'm sorry for the noise. That's because I dropped my joke. So as you can see, the dart stick pretty well actually. And now I'll try with the new suction cup dart from the Elite line. So as you can see, both stick pretty well. Yep, so both darts works well with the target. So that's the review of the Nerf N-Strike joke target value set. And if you like my videos, do subscribe and give me a thumbs up, and also do check out my blog for more reviews. So my overall opinion on the joke target value set, I think it's actually worth it to buy, considering it has a grey trigger which makes it unique, and the target is actually pretty good. The darts stick well, and it should be durable and will not spoil anytime soon. And the two plastic pieces actually stores your dart pretty well. Yep, and that's a very useful feature. So that's my overall opinion on the joke target value set. It's actually pretty fun to play with. You can actually compete with your friends, families, so that make it a very fun toy to play with. So that's my overall opinion on the joke target value set. Thanks for watching.